Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do, it's gonna be one video but two parts. I'm going to clean out my fridge and then I'll do an Aldi grocery haul. So the first part is gonna be the clean and then I will come back with you guys and then our Aldi haul. Our fridge, we haven't deep cleaned it since we moved in. We've wiped it down but not a deep clean. We're out of a lot of stuff right now, so we're gonna restock it, but I wanna get rid of a lot of the junk we have in here. And that is Brooklyn getting some cheese. guys, we just got back from Aldi. I'm gonna do a quick haul so we can get this stuff in the refrigerator. The first thing that we got, my husband likes these energy drinks. We got actually 4 of them. They're called Gridlock energy drinks. He has quite the commute to get home from work, so he likes those. I got 2 of these. They're sparkling water. This one is Juicy Peach. And then I got another one that was straw berry. Is it super far away? What's the matter? I got an apple juice. This one is actually for Brooklyn School. They have a Halloween party on Wednesday. I got 2 bottles of, this is the Aldi brand of wine. I got a sweet, it's called Winking Owl. I got a sweet red. And just a regular red. I got a snack pack of chips. That's Brooklyn Lolo. What are you going to do? A snack pack of chips for my son's lunch. We got these Junior Pops. A thing of organic grade A large eggs. Some beer for my husband. We got this Korean style barbecue chicken, quick meals, 2 things of beer brats, a thing of shredded cheese, sharp cheddar. We got a pinwheel of brie. Their brand of breakfast blend coffee. My husband drinks that black. Their version of Pringles, some sour cream and onion. We got some cheddar bay biscuits. We're gonna try these out. At our house, we do like a healthy cereal and then a not healthy one, but this is just for Dominic. We got some Fruit Loops, some 100-calorie snack packs, a thing of plain bagels, an egg and cheese wrap for my son. And I love these. These are quick and easy. You pop them in the microwave for a couple minutes. I use these throughout the week. I got some sweet corn, and we got some rice cauliflower, some roasted garlic, mashed potatoes, the easy, quick ones. We've never tried this before, but we got 2 things of mac and cheese, some organic milk. We got some fiber bars, and then their strawberry fruit bars. We got some cheese, Cheez-Its. They're like Cheez-Its. Crackers. 2 things of, carne asada meat. It's already marinated. And a humongous ultimate meat pizza. I'm going to put this over here. And then we got 2. These are like my favorite. Pure Aqua. They're sparkling water. We got 2 of these because we go through them like crazy. A bag of this buffalo style chicken strips. And the cheese bread pizza, which I think was in my favorites. We love that. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this clean with me and this haul, please give this video a thumbs up so I know to make more. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.